What if the reason some things in the universe seem to always follow straight lines or pass through narrow tubes is because space itself is filled with hidden highways, invisible pathways that guide them along their way? In the energy filament theory, this is not just a coincidence. It's actually the field itself creating pores and corridors on the tension walls, helping to direct the flow of energy, particles, and even textures along specific paths. Let's think back to the concept of tension walls we explored during our discussion about black holes. In areas of extreme tension, the surface isn't like a perfectly smooth, solid sheet. Instead, it resembles a stretched membrane overall very tight. But locally, tiny pores or openings begin to form where the tension is slightly relieved. These pores allow the field and matter to breathe a little, letting off some pressure and allowing the tension to ease, with the texture of the space itself being able to pass through. Without these small releases, the whole structure would eventually rupture due to the tension building up. Now, if many of these pores align in a particular direction, the energy sea naturally begins to select this specific low-resistance route. Over time, this results in a channel or pathway that is the easiest for energy to follow. And this becomes a tension corridor or waveguide. This waveguide provides a low-loss path for the field, an easy route for particles to travel, and on a much larger scale, it shows up in the form of jets, cosmic rays, and even magnetic structures that all seem to prefer moving along these invisible lines. One of the most intuitive examples of this process is seen in black hole jets. The rotating black hole, along with the magnetic texture surrounding it, and the pores and corridors in the tension walls, work together to direct the plasma and high-energy particles. Even though these particles might initially want to scatter in all directions, the field structure forces them into two narrow, tightly focused jets. These jets, like cosmic beams, are perfectly aligned with the corridors carved out in the energy sea. On a grander scale, cosmic rays also tend to follow these tension corridors or magnetic corridors, traveling across vast distances in the universe as though they are moving through invisible, high-pressure pipes. These cosmic highways connect distant parts of the universe and lead them directly to us. In the same way, when we talk about cosmic channels, jets, or cosmic rays arriving from specific directions, don't immediately picture science fiction-style wormholes. Instead, try to visualize this. The tension walls in the universe are filled with these tiny pores, and when these pores align, they form invisible, field-guided pathways or pipes that both the energy fields and particles naturally follow. These paths are not just random, they are shaped by the fundamental structure of space itself. These invisible highways play a key role in guiding the universe's energy, allowing it to move efficiently through space without scattering. The particles, energy, and textures in the universe don't just move freely. They are continuously being guided by these naturally formed corridors, which ensures that energy takes the most efficient path possible. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.